Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss another interesting topic in Facebook ads, and that is how to optimize your Facebook campaign with the help of breakdown option. As there are many ways through which you can optimize your Facebook sales campaigns to get maximum sales and revenue. But today video I will show you how to use breakdown option that is provided in the FB ads dashboard and how we can use them, what kind of option they are giving to us through the breakdown one, and how we can use the same to optimize our campaigns and get maximum ROI. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video.
Hello guys, so as you know, in today video we will discuss optimization technique to get maximum revenue for our campaigns or to help to improve the performance of the campaigns as well. So today I will let you know what kind of things we need to be considered while optimizing the campaign and what stats we need to check so that we will able to optimize campaign in a right way so that our budget would not wasted and we will get relevant results. So as you can see, here is our campaign, and as you can see we are getting good results from the same. As if I talk about the all-time sale, then we got maximum many sales we have got from our campaign. So this is the data right now we have on our dashboard, and now we need to optimize the same with the help of this data. Okay, so let me point out to this month data. Okay, and this month, as you can see, now we are on the December month and we got good sales from the campaigns. Now we need to check what kind of optimization we can do so that we'll able to get more results. So today I will let you know demographic checking and how to use that stat to improve your performance. As you can see, we have an option here is breakdown. Once upon I will click on it, you can see we have different option here. I know you are a little bit confusing what these options are and what they are doing to help us to optimize the campaign. So let me show you. First, our first option is age, and then it's platform, and then it's region, and then it's day, age, placement, country, platform, and the same way we have others breakdown option as well: time, day, week, demographics as well, age and gender, audience segmentation. Okay, geography, we have the countries and segments, region, DMA region, business location. So all these option is now helping us to optimizing our campaign. Let me show you first the time breakdown options. We have days, week, 2-week, month. So first I will click on the day one, and as you can see, once I click on it, it will show me a data, month day data on which we got conversions. And as you can see, this data can help us to optimize our campaigns, like on which date in which dates we have just spent budget and get ring but didn't get any conversion. We can add scheduling on those days so that our budget will be only implemented on those days in which we are getting conversions. The same way you can see we have other option as well, and that is age. And once I click on the age one, it will show us the data like from which particular age group we are getting the most conversion and what CPC, cost per result, what CPR we are getting from that age group. As you can see, now our age group 35 to 45 is giving us the maximum conversion, and the cost per result is also very good if I compare the same with 45 to 54 age group. So now what I can do is I will, as you can see, I will remove this age group from the campaign so that our maximum budget should be implemented on 35 to 44 and for 25 to 34 age group, so that they will get a good chance of getting impressions and reach, and with the help of that it will enhance our result and we will get more conversion from the same. As you can see in the other campaigns as well, we have this kind of data. So you can use this data to optimize your campaign in a right way, so that our budget will not waste it on that age group which are only costing us and not giving us good cost per lead. Okay, as you can see, it's cost per conversions as well. Okay, so we can use this data like that. And the next one is placement. It is a very essential part which we can use to optimize our campaign in a right way. So let me click on it, and in the same way we will click on the placement option which we have here. And as you can see, once I click on it, it will show me a different feeds where our ads are showing. So what I can do to optimize these feeds to get better result, as you can see, let me segregate the data. If you see that we are spending our most of budget on Instagram feed, and we are getting the conversion from the same, and our cost per results is also less if I compare the same with the Instagram story app, and it will also cost us extra, and our cost per results is very high for the Instagram story app. So what I will do is I will remove these placements. Okay, and I will run other, or also I will do another thing as well. I will run a separate campaign in which I will only use Instagram feed option, so that campaign will get a separate budget. And as you know, now we are able to know that we are getting conversion from the feeds placement. Most of the conversions are coming from the feed placement. So what I'll do is I will run a separate campaign in which I will only selected only these two feeds. So this data came up from the breakdown option. Once I break down the things, like break down the placement option, I will see the data like from which feeds we are getting conversion, and accordingly I will optimize my campaigns and create new ones as well, so that our conversion rate will be improved and we will get more conversion. Because if we'll spend more budget on those placement where we are getting conversion, automatically our conversion will increase. So in this way you can use the placement breakdown option. And after that, country. As if you are as you can see, you are spending on different countries, so you can see that our most of the conversions are coming from Canada, and Canada is giving us the most conversions. And in the new campaign we are getting most conversion from the US as well. So in this way, what I have know is from which country, if I target different countries in the campaign, so now I'll know from which countries we are getting most of the conversion. So what I'll do is I will move another country, so that our focus will be on the performing one and we'll get more conversions. Okay, in the same way we can also check the platforms as well, like from which platform, Instagram, Facebook, audience network, and say platform we are getting most of the conversion, and accordingly we will give that platform more chance, so that performance will improved. So these are the options from which you can know like from which demographic level we are getting most of the conversion, and accordingly you can optimize your campaign as well. So I think now you are able to understand what is the function of the breakdown option and how you can use this to optimize your campaign. So I think that's all for now. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any query or concern regarding this optimization technique, you can comment below in the YouTube section. So thank you so much. Bye.